First day of turkey hunting, boys. Let's go.
Just found some mushrooms. So, we're gonna take a little break.
Dude with the ghillie suit just popping out of nowhere.
Guys have that none of the other teams have.
Twin dongs.
Exactly.
Whatever happened to beginner's luck, bro? Come on, you motherfucker. I told you, hit it with your purse, bro.
Computer, make any turkey in a 10-mile radius freaky and horny and nasty, and send them to our location immediately.
What's up, party people? We out here for a season in Madison County, back home. Got a bit of a late start, but we got a little makeshift blind here. Got about 3 or 4 turkeys gobbling off the roost already. About 5:45 right now, I think. There's one behind us, there's one across the street. I think there's 2 in front of us to the north, too. Should be a good morning. Either way, we're hearing turkeys. That's all we can do this quick. Today's the day. The birds are fucking horny, boys. Let's go. I'm a lead farmer, motherfucker.
Oh, fuck yeah, baby. Fuck yeah, bud. Fuck yeah.
I gotta go grab him.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Long beer down. Long beer down.
Let's fucking go.
Long beer down.
Yeah, bud.
Nice time right there, buddy.
Nice, buddy.
That's a good turkey, boys. Wow, what a fucking time. Amazing. Fucking textbook. I honestly don't know which turkey this was. There was like 7 fucking turkeys gobbling. There's another flock across the road, even bigger, I think. There's turkeys roosted on the creek bottom down that way. There's turkeys roosted next to my guy's house, who gave us permission to hunt here. And there was turkeys roosted down by his fucking tree stand down by the ditch in the woods. They were everywhere this morning. I'm assuming that this was one of the birds roosted back there, and he flew down and came around the side of the house. And he got clobbered.
Hell yeah, dude. That's fucking awesome. Let's check out the spurs on this bad boy.
Some pretty decent hooks.
Nice.
Let's get the tag on this bird.
He disappeared for a second there. Kind of a fucked up situation this morning. Must have set my head back on the pillow long enough for me to fall back asleep. Now I'm getting out to the field at 5:30, 5:45. Definitely not ideal. I'm extremely mad. Last day of 5th season that I can hunt, so really sucks.
back and forth fucking 3 times. Like, never spooked or nothing. At least we know our game was good. As it has one of them death hubs. I was hoping one would be following her. If tacos and bowls, I think. I literally have to move like 2 feet either way. Yeah, I don't want to shoot through that tree though. Oh, he's going into the tree line. Look, he's going into the trees, dude. God damn it, dude. Over here, over here. Over here. Is he here? Did you see him or something?
Yes, sir! Let's go, baby! Let's fucking go! Oh yeah!
Long beer.
Oh my god!
First long beer.
Fuck yeah, baby!
Rocked his
Let's
ass.
go! Let's go!
Rocked his ass.
Yes, sir!
Oh, you're gonna want that.
Oh, I need my fucking. Oh my god, dude. Let's fucking go. Last day of the season. Well, that. I'm good with the hunt.
Fucking crunch time, baby.
Yeah, what is it, 10:30?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Let's go. Yes, dude.
What a stud!
Oh my gosh.
What a fucking hammer, Carson. Pick him up and pick his head up in the air.
Pick his head up in the air.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
Dude, is that? No, that's one beard.
Did I fucking breath shot the shit out of him?
I think so.
Damn, I thought I got all head, but. Gosh damn.
Oh, let's fucking go, buddy.
Fuck.
I'm
Yes.
glad that happened.
Me too. Oh. Yeah, I could not be happier with that. Fucking go. Holy shit.
What a nice beard too.
It's kind of greenish.
Dude, look at those hooks.
Fuck. Yeah.
That's a fucking good bird, though.
I wasn't gonna drink today.
We're definitely drinking.
Oh, I'm fucking having beers to celebrate.
Hell,
Is that my wand? Is that my wand?
probably.
I don't think I've ever seen a red wad before.
Did you fucking smoke in the face of mom? You fucking killed that turkey from like 12 yards, bro. You clobbered that son of a bitch.
smoked him in the face with your wad. It's crazy.